Hello friends, my name is Dr. Prashant Agarwal. I am a rheumatologist and immunologist. The world as of today is facing a pandemic of coronavirus infection. Recently, ICMR has come out with the advisory regarding the use of hydroxychloroquine as post-exposure prophylaxis for preventing coronavirus disease in developing. The guideline very clearly recommends the use of hydroxychloroquine only in two circumstances. One, healthcare professionals taking care of coronavirus infection patients, and number two, the household contacts of coronavirus infection patients. So the question arises, why it cannot be taken by normal people who have not been exposed to coronavirus so that they remain protected? To answer that question, we need to understand a very fundamental and basic principle of medicine. Post-exposure prophylaxis is not vaccination. Vaccination can be given to normal individuals because that makes your immune system stronger. It leads on to development of antibodies within your body which are going to protect you from that infection for years and years together. But in post-exposure prophylaxis, we give you a particular medicine after the exposure has taken place, so that the concentration of that medicine goes up to a particular level that is going to prevent that microbe from multiplying within your body and prevent the disease from taking place. Now supposedly you have not been exposed to that microbe and you take the post-exposure prophylaxis. What is going to happen? The level of that medicine is going to keep on coming down steadily in your body. And once the level has come down, at that point of time, you get exposed to that microbe. This agent is not going to prevent that infection from developing within your body. But rather what it will lead on to is that the microbe will become resistant against this particular agent. Something that has happened to many bacteria against antibiotics. Even chloroquine that was being used for the treatment of malaria is no longer effective in a lot of patients because the malaria parasite has become resistant to chloroquine. So we do not want something like that for taking place against coronavirus. Also, the advisory very clearly states that the use of post-exposure prophylaxis should not instill a false sense of security. The reason why they say so is that the clinical efficacy of hydroxychloroquine post-exposure prophylaxis as of today is not known. How much protection it is going to give you is not known. So please do not take hydroxychloroquine without the advice of a medical professional. Advisory also very clearly states that hydroxychloroquine only has to be used under the supervision and the advice of a medical professional. Always remember that medicine, if taken properly, under proper guidance, is helpful, but in case it is used improperly, it can lead on to serious adverse effects and it can be counterproductive. So do take good care of yourself, but also be responsible and do not take unsolicited advices or unsolicited medicines. Thank you.